The question is limit x. We have to find limit x tends to 0 for this. Integration 0 to x t of sine 10t dt upon x. So what we do here in this question, limit x equals to 0, integration 0 to x t sine 10t upon dt upon x. We have to put 0 in place of x, and we see it's a 0 by 0 form, so we can apply L'Hopital's rule. So L'Hopital rule is basically differentiating the numerator and denominator. So here we differentiate this. While differentiating this integration part disappears, so basically we have dx upon dt, integral of dt, which is the equation itself. So it is t sine 10t, we put x in it, it becomes x sine of 10x upon x equals to 1. So x, then we put limit x tends to 0, x sine 10x upon 1, which is 0.